meters, you are watching this video because you made a mistake on the exit ticket. So let's go through it together, okay? Hopefully you wrote your name on your exit ticket. Convert using an equation with an exponent. Okay, so if we're going from large units to smaller units, we need to multiply. And if we're going from small units to larger units, we need to divide, okay? Remember that. So over here, I'm going to put 2 meters. I'm going to multiply. And over here, I'm going to put 40 millimeters, and I'm going to divide. Now, I have to decide what am I going to multiply by and what am I going to divide by. So meters to centimeters, remember in our place value chart, 1 meter, 1/10 of a meter, 1/100th of a meter, and 1,000th of a meter, okay? So this is 1 meter, this is a centimeter, and this is a millimeter, okay? So meters to centimeters, meter to centimeter goes 2 spaces over. So that means I need to multiply by 10 times 10. 10 times 10. Or, in this case, right, 10 times 10. Or in this case, I'm going to use an exponent because it asked me to use an exponent, so I'm going to write it as 10 squared. Okay? So 2 times 10 squared equals 200. I hope you got that right. Okay, millimeters to meters. So here's millimeters and meters over here. How many spaces do I need to go? 1, 2, 3 spaces. So instead of writing 10 3 times, I'm going to write it as 10 to the third. Okay? And that means that my decimal goes this way. So I've got 1, 2, 3 moves on that decimal. Okay, there we go. And the label is already there for you, so you couldn't have messed that one up too hard. Read each aloud as you write the equivalent measures. A piece of fabric measures 3 9/10 of a meter. Express this in centimeters. So again, meters to centimeters. Meters to centimeters, that means I'm using multiplication, so I'm going to multiply. And meter to centimeter is 10 times 10, so I'm using my 10 squared. And that's going to give me 390 centimeters, okay? And if you need your place value chart to do that, you can use it. All right, let's see. So here's my 3.9. Here's my ones, my tens, and my hundreds, and my thousands. And I'm going to move it 2 spaces. So I'm going to move this 3 over 2 spaces. So I'm going to have 390. That's my new answer. Okay, moved it 2 spaces over. Mrs. Ramos's thumb measures 4 centimeters. Express this length in meters. So we're going from smaller to larger, which means we have to divide. Centimeters to meters, again, centimeters to meters is 2 spaces away, so we're using 10 squared. Okay, and that's going to give me 4/100ths of a meter. Okay, again, if you need your place value chart, here's my 4, and there's my decimal. And I'm dividing by 2, so I'm going to go this direction 2 times. So 4 goes here. But because there's a decimal there, I have to put a 0. Otherwise, it won't make sense. Okay? Okay. I hope you understand what you did wrong. If you don't, please come talk to one of us. Thank you. Have a great day.